jump on the truck sometime and make a few personal deliveries. Walter E. Smith delivery for Karen. Your delivery man. Hey, show up at a client store and surprise them. There's just nothing like it. Walter E. Smith, you dream it, we build it.
For 2011, Ford unleashed the Mustang with 540 horsepower. Unveiled the Fiesta with an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon. Introduced the Edge with available My Ford Touch. Broke ground with 4 new F-150 engines. And now, Ford is launching the 100% reinvented Explorer. Uncover one for yourself. Only during Auto Show month. Lease a 2011 Ford Edge for just $289 a month. Visit a Ford store and drive one.
I get everything the way I want. Not because I'm a huge celebrity, which I am, but because I have Xfinity. I watch my favorites on demand and online. Anywhere I want.
Your limo couch.
Xfinity has the world's greatest collection of on-demand, on TV and online. Satellite can't match that. Switch to Xfinity and get TV, internet, and voice for $29.99 each per month. Xfinity today.
The mouse is chasing the ball, and then the cat crushes it.
You know what your silly wife was just thinking? Why is he wearing sunglasses out there? Why did your glasses change?
Because of the snow.
Really? The snow is like
Too light.
reflecting off the tiny bit of light or something?
It's ultraviolet light that changes it.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, because it blocks most of the, I mean, you know, but some of the UV rays still get through. Yeah, I don't want you having a heart attack. You need to...
We're not even to the sidewalk yet.
Oh, yeah, you're not even halfway to the sidewalk. Well, your dad's taking his coat off. I think that's a clue.
This goofball's playing in it.
Oh, I saw him throwing it. I'm like, you better not be throwing it where your dad's shoveling it.
Jack, you gotta stay in now.
Yeah, stay in for a while. We gotta charge the batteries on this.